What is the accuracy measured? Hello, this is Kevin from Do and Solution. This R-square distribution between change in average temperature from July to October versus change in average daily new cases per million largest city in the United States. However, something missing? Guess what? I think there are missing of accurate estimates, such as root to mean scale error, RMSE, mean bias error, MBE, mean absolute error, MAE, and index of agreement, IA, and number of samples. What is the R and the R scale? Pearson, Spearman, Kendall. R scale, so it's called determination of coefficient R scale. Two values different. What is different? Parametric, while Spearman and the Kendall correlation are non-parametric. For Pearson correlation, it should be normal distribution and be continuous, measuring linear relationship. For Spearman and the Kendall relationship, monotonic. R scale is measured or observed versus simulated or predicted relationship. What is the accuracy measure? The bias or mean bias error, MB, is the average forecast error representing the systematic error of a forecast model to over forecast or under forecast. Mean absolute error, MAE, providing average magnitude of a forecast error, while root mean scale error, giving more weight to the largest error. Root mean scale error, RMSE, giving more weight to the largest error. This RMSE measuring how much error there is between two data sets, comparing a predict value and an observed value. The smaller an RMSE value, the closer predict and observed value are. The other one is the value, the index of agreement, varies between 0 and 1. A value of 1 indicates a perfect agreement between two, while 0 representing no agreement at all. So let's look at Python code. If you're interested, so installing Anaconda first. So once done, open Anaconda.NAVIGATOR on Anaconda and installing Spyder 4.15 version. To create, install, so useful to generate a new library. Largely the three windows, so editor, console, and display the result, such as plot, file, and help. They provide all source code about R correlation, the R scale, as well as the RMSE, MB, MAE, and index of agreement. Also how to calculate determination of a coefficient and the other correlation of Pearson, Spearman, Kendall, tau. in the Python 3. Not only source, but also reference. You can do yourself and practice. Okay, it's done. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my post to generate the better and better YouTube channel in the future. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.